exposing the secret in your veins. What if the key to turning back the clock on your eyesight was already flowing inside you? Imagine a world where the effects of aging could be reversed, not just slowed down, but actually undone, using something as simple and natural as blood. It sounds like science fiction, but recent discoveries are making this a real possibility. Scientists have just uncovered a wild and fascinating way to restore vision by harnessing the power of youthful blood. This isn't just a minor improvement, it's a potential game changer for millions who suffer from age-related vision loss. The idea is both simple and revolutionary. Use the natural healing factors found in young blood to rejuvenate aging eyes. Ready to see the future? As we age, our vision often fades, making everyday tasks like reading, driving, or even recognizing faces more difficult. For many, this gradual loss of sight is one of the most frustrating parts of getting older. It can lead to a loss of independence, confidence, and quality of life. Think about how much we rely on our eyes every single day. From the moment we wake up and check the time, to reading messages, enjoying nature, or watching our favorite shows, vision is at the heart of our experience. When it starts to slip away, it can feel like the world is closing in. The main culprit behind this decline is the retina, the thin layer of tissue at the back of your eye that senses light and sends signals to your brain. Over time, the retina's cells become damaged and less efficient, leading to blurry vision, trouble seeing in low light, and sometimes even blindness. Millions of people around the world struggle with these issues every day. Age-related macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, and other retinal diseases are some of the leading causes of vision loss. For many, the only options are glasses, magnifiers, or in severe cases, surgery, none of which truly restore lost vision. The emotional toll can be just as significant as the physical one. Losing your vision can mean giving up hobbies, losing touch with friends, or even feeling unsafe in your own home. That's why the search for a real cure has been so urgent and why this new discovery is so exciting. But here's where things get wild. Scientists have been experimenting with a radical idea. What if the secret to reversing aging lies in the blood of the young? This concept, known as parabiosis, has been around for decades, but only recently have researchers begun to unlock its true potential. In a groundbreaking experiment, researchers injected plasma, the liquid part of blood, from young mice into older mice whose vision was failing. The results were nothing short of astonishing. Within weeks, the older mice began to show signs of retinal repair. Their vision improved dramatically, as if someone had pressed rewind on the aging process. The older mice's retinas actually repaired themselves. Their vision improved, almost like pressing rewind on aging eyes. Scientists observed that the treated mice could navigate mazes and respond to visual cues much better than before, suggesting real, functional improvements, not just changes under a microscope. This breakthrough has huge implications. If the same process can be replicated in humans, it could mean a future where age-related blindness is no longer inevitable. Imagine being able to restore sight to someone who thought they'd never see clearly again. So how does this even work? Young blood is packed with special proteins and molecules, sometimes called youth factors, that help fight inflammation, repair damaged cells, and encourage tissues to regenerate. As we age, the levels of these helpful molecules drop, and our bodies become less efficient at healing themselves. When these youth factors from young blood reach the aging retina, they seem to kickstart a powerful repair process. Damaged nerve cells begin to function better, inflammation goes down, and the retina starts to act more like it did in youth. It's a bit like giving your eyes a second chance at life. Researchers are still working to identify exactly which molecules are responsible for these effects. Some early candidates include growth factors, anti-inflammatory proteins, and molecules that help cells communicate and repair themselves. Unlocking this mystery could lead to targeted therapies that don't require blood transfusions at all. For now, the results are incredibly promising. It's like giving your eyes a second chance. Imagine waking up one day and seeing the world with the clarity and vibrancy you had decades ago. The colors are brighter, the details sharper, and life feels new again. Of course, there are still hurdles to overcome. Now before you ask, no, it's not ready for humans just yet. The process needs to be tested for safety, effectiveness, and long-term results. Scientists are working hard to make sure that any future treatments are safe and accessible for everyone who needs them. But the good news is that early clinical trials are starting. Researchers are recruiting volunteers and carefully monitoring their progress. If these trials continue to show positive results, we could be on the verge of a revolution in eye care, one that could restore lost vision for millions of people around the world. The potential doesn't stop at vision either. If youthful blood can rejuvenate the retina, it might also help other aging organs, like the brain, heart, or muscles. This research could open the door to a whole new era of regenerative medicine, where aging itself becomes something we can treat, not just accept. So, what would you do if you could see like you were young again? Would you travel, read more, or simply enjoy the beauty of the world around you? The possibilities are endless, and the future is looking brighter than ever, literally. If you're as excited about this breakthrough as we are, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. What would you want to see with your new youthful eyes? Stay tuned for more amazing science updates because the future of vision is just getting started.